Hi. Let's learn about irrevocable trusts. The purpose of an irrevocable trust is to move the assets from the grantor's control and name to that of the beneficiary. This reduces the value of the grantor's estate in regard to estate taxes and protects the assets from creditors. Irrevocable trusts cannot be modified, amended, or terminated without the permission of the grantor's beneficiary or by the order of a court. The exact rules can vary by state. The grantor, having effectively transferred all ownership of assets into the trust, legally removes all of their rights of ownership to the assets and the trust. Irrevocable trusts are generally set up to minimize estate taxes, access government benefits, and protect assets. Irrevocable trusts are primarily set up for estate and tax considerations. That's because it removes all incidents of ownership, removing the trust's assets from the grantor's taxable estate. It also relieves the grantor of the tax liability on the income generated by the assets. Irrevocable trusts are especially useful to individuals who work in professions that may make them vulnerable to lawsuits, such as doctors or attorneys. Once an asset is transferred to such a trust, it is owned by the trust for the benefit of its beneficiaries. Today's irrevocable trusts come with many provisions that were not commonly found in older versions of these instruments, allowing for much greater flexibility in trust management and distribution of assets. Irrevocable trusts come in two forms: living trusts and testamentary trusts. A living trust is originated and funded by an individual during their lifetime, while testamentary trusts are irrevocable by design, created after the death of their creator and funded from the deceased's estate according to the terms of their will. An irrevocable trust has a grantor, a trustee, and a beneficiary or beneficiaries. Once the grantor places an asset in an irrevocable trust, it is a gift to the trust and the grantor cannot revoke it. Irrevocable trusts can have many applications in planning for the preservation and distribution of an estate, including offering tax and creditor protection benefits to the grantor. Revocable trusts may be amended or cancelled at any time as long as their creator is mentally competent, while irrevocable trusts cannot be changed or modified without the beneficiary's permission. Irrevocable trusts offer tax shelter benefits that revocable trusts do not and protect assets from legal actions and estate taxes. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. Irrevocable trusts cannot be modified, amended, or terminated without permission from the grantor's beneficiaries or by court order. 2. The grantor transfers all ownership of assets into the trust and legally removes all of their ownership rights to the assets and the trust. 3. Living and testamentary trusts are 2 types of irrevocable trusts. 4. These trusts offer tax shelter benefits that revocable trusts do not. 5. Under the Secure Act, some beneficiaries may have to take a full distribution by the end of the 10th calendar year following the year of the grantor's death. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.